Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a major court case unfolding in Ireland that could have significant implications for the police force. Or in Garda Síochána, 5 current and retired officers are on trial, accused of interfering with the legal process to get people out of traffic violations. Let's break down what's happening. The case involves a retired Superintendent Eamon O'Neill, and for serving officers, Sergeant and Marie Hassett, Sergeant Michelle Leahy, Garda Colm Geary, and Garda Tom McGlinchey. They've all pleaded not guilty to a total of 39 charges. The core of the accusation is that between October 2016 and September 2019, they engaged in conduct intended to pervert the course of justice. In simpler terms, they're accused of improperly helping people avoid penalties for road traffic offenses. The trial, taking place in Limerick, recently heard from a key witness, Siobhan O'Connor, who is the head of the Limerick court office. Her testimony provided a fascinating look into the day-to-day workings of the district court system. The jury was shown copies of 20 actual court summonses related to offenses like speeding, using a mobile phone while driving, not wearing a seatbelt, and even driving without insurance. Ms. O'Connor explained the court's shorthand to the jury. For instance, S.O. written on a document means the summons was struck out. If it was accompanied by St., it meant the application to strike it out was made by a prosecuting Garda sergeant acting for the state. Another note, WD, simply means the case was withdrawn. This evidence is central to the prosecution's argument that these cases were improperly quashed. However, the defense is painting a very different picture. During cross-examination, defense barrister Felix McEnroy, SC, got Ms. O'Connor to agree on a crucial point. District court judges have a wide range of powers. They can strike out summonses, withdraw them, or dismiss cases entirely. Mr. McEnroy drove this home by stating, there is only one decision maker in the district court, and that is the judge, a statement with which Ms. O'Connor agreed. This suggests the defense will argue that the final decision always rested with the independent judiciary, not the Gardaí. The defense also highlighted that it is not unusual for a summons to be struck out for legitimate reasons. For example, if you're stopped and don't have your driver's license on you. Ms. O'Connor confirmed that this is a common and perfectly normal occurrence. The defense also asked Ms. O'Connor if she knew whether any of the judges who made these decisions were later informed of any impropriety. She replied that she was not aware of any such thing. This could be another key point for the defense, implying that if there was something wrong, the judges themselves would have been the ones to raise the alarm. So, where does this leave us? The prosecution is building a case based on a pattern of canceled traffic summonses, suggesting improper influence by the accused Gardaí. The defense, on the other hand, is emphasizing the authority of the judges and the routine nature of striking out or withdrawing such cases for valid reasons. They argue that the ultimate decision was always in the hands of the court, not the police. This trial stems from a major investigation by the National Bureau of Criminal Investigation, so it's being taken very seriously. It raises fundamental questions about power, procedure, and accountability within the justice system. The outcome will depend on whether the jury believes the Gardaí crossed a line and manipulated the system, or if they were simply operating within the established, albeit complex, legal framework. It's a complicated case with a lot of nuance, but it's one we'll be following very closely. What are your initial thoughts on this? Do you think this points to a systemic issue, Or is it a misunderstanding of court procedures? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. And if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more updates on this and other important stories. See you in the next one.